In this video, I will show you how to calculate the average salary by department in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some employees' salary data including department name and salary. Now I want to calculate the employees' average salary by department name. I have listed all the departments in this column and I want to calculate the respective department's average salary in these cells. To do that, we can use the Excel AVERAGEIF function. The AVERAGEIF function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet the given criteria. This function accepts three arguments: a range, a criteria, and an optional average range. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type AVERAGEIF followed by an opening bracket. Let's select the department cells as the first range argument. Since we want to find the rows with a specific department, I will select F3 cell as the criteria argument. We want to average the salary cells if the department matches, so let's select the salary cells as the third average range argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the average salary by the IT department. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, Excel has automatically incremented the range references by 1. That is because we have specified the department and salary range references as the relative references. To fix this problem, I will make these references absolute using the dollar signs like this so that they won't change when we copy the formula to other cells. I will leave the department reference as relative because we want it to be incremented by 1 for each department cell. As you can see, the department and salary ranges stayed the same for all the departments and we now have the average salary by department name. We can also use the AVERAGEIFS function instead of the AVERAGEIF function to get the average salary. The AVERAGEIFS function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria arguments to this function. Even though this function is meant for multiple criteria, we can use it even if we have only one condition. The AVERAGEIFS function needs the average range as the first argument, so let's select the salary cells. I will select the department cell range as the first criteria range argument. Finally, I will select the cell containing the department name, that is cell F3, as the first criteria argument. I will also make the department and salary range references absolute using the dollar signs. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down. As you can see, we now have the average salary by department name. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.